What is compliance monitoring? Compliance monitoring in the airline industry involves the continuous observation, evaluation, and enforcement of aviation regulations, safety procedures, and operational guidelines. This proactive approach ensures that airlines consistently meet industry standards, maintain passenger and crew safety, and adhere to legal requirements. By identifying and rectifying non-compliance issues promptly, airlines can uphold their reputation, prevent regulatory penalties, and contribute to the overall safety and efficiency of air travel. So what does compliance monitoring achieve? Compliance monitoring in airlines achieves several important goals. It helps to ensure that the airline is following all the rules and regulations, which can reduce the risk of accidents and improve safety for passengers and crew. It also helps to identify any areas where the airline might not be following the rules, so that they can fix the problem and avoid any penalties or fines. Overall, compliance monitoring helps to keep the airline running smoothly and safely, and can improve the overall experience for everyone involved. Benefits of having a compliance monitoring program. Having a compliance monitoring program offers several benefits, such as ensuring adherence to safety regulations, minimizing operational risks, enhancing overall safety culture, identifying and addressing potential issues before they escalate, maintaining customer trust, and meeting regulatory requirements to avoid penalties or legal consequence. So how is compliance audit different from quality assurance? Compliance audit focuses on ensuring that an organization adheres to specific laws, regulations, or industry standards. It verifies whether processes and practices meet required guidelines. Quality assurance, on the other hand, focuses on maintaining and improving the overall quality of products or services by implementing consistent processes and best practices. While compliance audit ensures legal and regulatory adherence, quality assurance aims to enhance the quality of the products or services provided. So how is compliance audit different from safety audit? Compliance audit focuses on evaluating whether an organization adheres to laws, regulations, and industry standards. It ensures that processes, policies, and actions align with legal requirements. On the other hand, a safety audit assesses an organization's adherence to safety protocols, practices, and guidelines to prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment. While both audits involve assessment and verification, they target different aspects: legal compliance in the case of compliance audit, and safety measures in the case of safety audit. Why compliance monitoring when continued airworthiness management is implemented? The introduction of a compliance monitoring program in conjunction with a continued airworthiness management system, CAMS, in an airline serves several important purposes. Firstly, it helps ensure that the airline's operations and maintenance practices are in compliance with aviation regulations, safety standards, and industry best practices. This is crucial to maintain the airworthiness of aircraft and ensure the safety of passengers and crew. Secondly, compliance monitoring programs provide a structured framework for the airline to systematically monitor, assess, and evaluate its operations, maintenance, and safety process. This helps identify areas that might need improvement or adjustments to ensure ongoing safety and regulatory compliance. Lastly, compliance monitoring programs assist in creating a culture of safety within the organization. By regularly reviewing and analyzing various aspects of operations, the airline can proactively address potential issues, mitigate risks, and continuously improve safety performance. In essence, The introduction of a compliance monitoring program alongside a continued airworthiness management system enhances safety, regulatory compliance, and overall operational efficiency within the airline. Why compliance monitoring when safety management system is implemented? The compliance monitoring program was introduced alongside the safety management system in airlines to ensure that the safety practices and procedures outlined in the safety management system are being followed consistently. The compliance monitoring program helps to verify that the airline's operations are in compliance with regulatory requirements, internal policies, and industry standards. It is a way to systematically assess and monitor the implementation of safety measures to prevent accidents, incidents, and other safety-related issues. Why compliance monitoring when quality management system is implemented? The compliance monitoring program was introduced alongside the quality management system in airlines to ensure that the quality standards and processes outlined in the quality management system are being adhered to consistently. This program helps to verify that the airline's operations meet regulatory requirements, internal quality standards, and industry best practices. It is a way to systematically assess and monitor the implementation of quality measures to enhance overall operational performance, customer satisfaction, and safety. When was compliance monitoring introduced in airlines? Illustrated here are a few documents references, which can give an idea of how it went about to be introduced. What HR required for implementing compliance monitoring program? What is finally achieved? It eases off pressure on the Continued Airworthiness Management System Audit, Quality Assurance Audit, Safety Management System Audit, Quality Management System Audit, IATA Operational Safety Audit, IOSA. The accountable executive and senior management have first-hand information with a well-designed compliance monitoring program, with assurance regarding the adequacy and effectiveness of operations, systems, and controls for monitoring compliance risk. By streamlining compliance and regulation monitoring processes, automating compliance workflows, and providing data-driven insight, it is significantly easier for an airline to ensure adherence to business and regulatory requirements, reduce risks associated with non-compliance, and boost customer confidence in airline services. It gives measure the effectiveness of the compliance program, ensure adherence to regulations, and identify compliance risks.